Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I go from this look to more of a date night kind of look. And this is just a transitional makeup video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to start off with my eyes. I'm using the Shadow Insurance from Too Faced, and you need to just mix it. It's kind of separated, so it goes kind of oily. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so as usual, I just apply this with my finger. I find this is the easiest way to apply this product. It's a very thin product, and it's just unnecessary and quite messy actually to apply with a brush. A limited edition travel light story from Catrice, and it's got some plastic still on there. It's got some amazing neutral colors. It was super affordable and I love using this one. So I'm going to be starting off with a neutral color over there. It's a nice neutral beigey color. I'm just going to be applying it with my MAC brush. Make sure the Shadow Insurance is actually not in the crease, and I'm just going to pop that all over the lid. As you can see, I still have some mascara from when I applied the mascara earlier on. This is just going to give me an even base to work off of. And that goes everywhere and slightly under the eye as well. There we go. I'm going to build up my browns, I think. I'm going to start off with that one, followed by that one. There are no names, so unfortunately I can only show you which ones I use. The copper color now, and I'm going to apply that with my finger right here all the way to the inner corner. Okay, now I know this color is showing up. Using a Wet n Wild palette, I'm going to be using the crease color, and I'm just going to slightly apply that in the crease, well, obviously, because I'm not getting the depth that I want on camera. That looks a bit better. And then I'm just going to go in with the definer color, which is a slight reddish color, and I'm just going to go back over the line here. Now that gives the color payoff that I actually want. Awesome! Then go in with the highlighter color, which is that one over there, and just go underneath my brow bones. What I do now is I take my liquid liner and I just put a line right above my lashes. And then if you really want, you can add a second coat of mascara and then your eyes are done. You can obviously add false lashes, however, that is a bit too much effort for me for today. And that defeats the purpose of having a quick, easy transition look. Then obviously you want a bit more contouring or bronzing or something on your face. I am going to be using this gorgeous palette from Charlotte Tilbury. So using Fleur Power, this is MAC blush. I'm just quickly going to put a little bit of blush on my cheeks just to tie it all together. This one also has a bit of sheen to it. I want to say shimmer, it's sheen. So it blends right in with the highlight. On the apples of the cheeks. Then using Whirl from MAC, I'm just going to line my lips and put lipstick on and we're done. Miss Kensington from Charlotte Tilbury as well. It's currently the one I already have on. And then that's it. That is my day to nighttime look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram and Facebook. I look forward to hearing any and all questions that you guys have, and please let me know what you guys would have changed or added. What do you guys do for your routines? I would love to know. See you guys the next time. Bye.